Have you ever wondered if your dog is more than just a pet? What if they're a guardian angel in a furry costume? Today, I want to share a story that will make you look at your four-legged friend in a whole new way. It's the incredible tale of a dog who became a hero when his family needed him most. What did you think of Max's incredible bravery? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories. See you next time.